Let's take this gorgeous 5mm cord from Nook Theory in the color Pearl and make a plant hanger. Start by cutting 8 cords approximately 12 feet long. Go ahead and secure it onto your ring with a wrap knot. And you will start by placing 25 half square knots. Next, I grabbed 2 cords from each section, measured approximately 8 inches down, and I made 10 square knots. And again, grab 2 cords from each section, measure approximately 4 inches, and place 3 square knots. Secure it off with a wrap knot. Next, decide which plant you want to hang in it, and sit back and enjoy your new macrame plant hanger you've made. Hope you love it!